I'm gonna shake my little tushy on the catwalk. Come on! It happens to be International Women's Day as we tape this, and I can't help but reflect on how much gratitude I have to have been born in Canada, where I have the ability to wear two hats. I can be both the designer on a project and I can be the construction project manager / general contractor. It's been such a great journey being a woman in construction. When I first started running general construction projects, I anticipated that there might be some almost resistance on the part of clients and trades and sub-trades because I was a woman. But the beautiful thing that turned out to be true is that women trust another woman with their homes. And so what I had our clients tell me after the first several construction projects was that they actually felt like I would take good care of their homes and that I would care about their homes as much as they do. They found it easier to relate to me, woman to woman, than I had expected. I think one of the beautiful things that we really relish in at KHD is this blending of perspectives. I think if you only hire a general contractor, then all you get is a construction-based perspective. And that's so important. You need to know how buildings are built and how one aspect of a building relates to another. And no, you can't remove that post because the second floor will fall down. So that's absolutely critical, and it's a big part of what we do at KHD. But the other part that we bring to the party is this very female experience, lived experience of having been in the world in a female body and doing all of the things that typically females will do that we can relate to. So in terms of organizing workspaces, organizing pantries, organizing closets, organizing hair stations, because, you know, some women have a lot of hair appliances. And just that lived experience of being female and navigating the world inside a female body also has to do with, you know, dimensions and how accessible things are and what the reach is on a particular shelf. So we take that lived experience and the training that we have in interior design and interior architecture, and we marry that, if you like, to this strong construction foundation. And that gives us this beautiful gestalt, yin and yang sort of whole that makes the picture complete and makes the design even better than it might have been if you were just working from this perspective. It's been such a beautiful journey when people trust us, trust me with their homes, and allow our team to wrap ourselves around that problem and carry it through to a successful conclusion. I just can't express how much gratitude I have to all of the Calgary families that have worked with us over the years.